Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If your Instagram music is not working, today's video I'm going to show you some ways to fix it. So anything happens in your Instagram, the first thing you do is open your Play Store and then search for Instagram. You have to be sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. So in case you see update, you have to select update. But if it shows open just like mine, just know that your application is already updated. So for the next step, you have to long tap onto your application and select the eye icon. Now from here, you will get landed onto the settings page, which is also called App Info for Instagram. And in here, you have to select this storage button. From here, clear the cache. Once done, come back onto App Info page. And from here, select Force Stop and then OK. Now restart your device. And as you do that, launch your Instagram again and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you have to write a report. For that, select three-bar icon, scroll all the way below, and from here select help. Select report a problem, and in here type in your message. Simply type in that the filters that you want, which is not showing, select send. And likewise, it'll get back to you in your messages under chats and Instagram, and this is how you can solve your problem.